Hello, my name is Nicolás Sebastián Contreras Garnica. Today I am going to talk about Medellin, a very beautiful and famous city in Colombia. It is known as the City of Eternal Spring. Medellin is in Colombia. It is the capital of the department of Antioquia. The city is in the Andes mountain, in a place called the Aburrá Valley. It is surrounded by green hills and beautiful landscapes. It is smaller than Bogota but is cleaner and more organized. If we compare Medellin with Bogota, we can notice big difference. While Bogota is colder and more erratic, Medellin has warm weather all year round. That's why it's called the City of Eternal Spring. People in Medellin are usually more relaxing and friendly, and the city feels cleaner, greener, and more peaceful personally. I think Medellin gives a warmer and happy vibe. There are many incredible places to visit in Medellin. One of the most famous is Plaza Botero, with large and unique sculptures made by Fernando Botero. Another is the Metro Cable, which gives you a stunning panoramic view of the Wall Valley. The botanical garden is full of tropical plants and colors, and Pueblito Paisa shows traditional Antioquia culture of top of a hill. The place I liked the most is Comuna 13. Years ago it was known for violence, but today it is symbol of hope and transformation. When you walk there, you can see colorful murals, street art, and music everywhere. It makes you feel energy, creativity, and freedom. I choose this place because it shows how people can change their reality through art and unity. When I think about Medellin, I feel peace, happiness, and admiration. It's a city full of life, color, and friendly people. For me, Medellin is not just beautiful, it's an example of progress and culture. That's why I choose it for my presentation. Thanks you very much.